Hey everyone, welcome to our demo video. Today, we're diving into a complex case study using our web app tools. We'll create a case study report in essay style, a presentation, and an email, all with a touch of AI magic. Our topic? Impact of artificial intelligence and data center growth on NVIDIA's financial trajectory. Ready? Let's get started. First, let's log into our web app. All set. Now, click on AI Writer. We'll head to the Academy Essay section. Type in our essay topic and presentation title. Impact of artificial intelligence and data center growth on NVIDIA's financial trajectory. For focus keywords, we'll use growth and financial trajectory. Set the result length to 1,000 words. Don't forget to switch on internet access for real data. Now, click Generate. Here's our essay. It looks good, but we need to polish it. Let's add graphs and infographics to make it more realistic. While we can edit directly here, I prefer using Microsoft Word with our add-in for more control. Time for diagrams. We'll create two. First, a Sankey diagram showing NVIDIA's record quarterly data center revenue of $22.6 billion. Second, a block diagram detailing NVIDIA's growth from 2022 to 2024. I didn't like this one, let us generate another one. Nice. This one looks better and correct. Analyzing external data, I found a fantastic analysis of NVIDIA's quarterly revenue projections from 2020 to 2025. Let's use our AI Vision tool to analyze this image and summarize it. There's our summary. Copy, paste, done.
Summarizing an article. Next, let's summarize an article from Authority about hyperscale data centers. Using AI Web Chat, we paste the link. Ask for a 50-word summary. And there's our concise summary. Compiling the document. Let's open our Word file and start compiling. We'll paste our AI Web Chat summary, AI Vision analysis, and diagrams. Quick and easy. Editing with Word add-in. Time to fine-tune. Logging in to our Microsoft Word add-in. We highlight the text and convert it to bullet points. For the conclusion, we'll ask the AI to make it more professional. Almost done. Creating the presentation. Presentation time. Did I mention our AI PowerPoint generator? Let's copy the text and generate a 10-slide presentation. Let us download, then pick a stylish theme. We're all set. Sending the email. Now that we have our essay and presentation ready, it's time to send everything to our colleague for review. Let's open Outlook and use our Chrome web plugin to draft an email. Here's what we'll do. In the text section, type email. Write email to my colleague Anderson. I have attached the report file and presentation. Please review them and suggest any corrections or improvements. Let me know if it's ready to submit to our senior boss. And voila! The text is generated instantly. Let's attach the files, make a few minor tweaks to the email text, and hit send. Easy as pie. Oh no, I just realized I sent Anderson a PDF file, but he needs it in Word format to make edits and I only saved it as PDF only. No worries, we've got this. Let's use our PDF converter tool in the Non-AI Web App Tool section. We select the PDF to Word converter, upload the PDF file, and wait for it to work its magic. And done. Our file is now in Word format and ready for edits. I'll quickly resend the converted Word document to Anderson. Just a quick reminder before we wrap up this tutorial. This demo showcases how AI can assist in streamlining your workflow, but remember to use AI responsibly and ethically. Always ensure that the data and content generated by AI tools are accurate and not hallucinated. AI is here to help you work faster and smarter, but it's not a replacement for human oversight. And there you have it, a full walkthrough on how to use our web app tools to tackle a complex case study, create a stunning presentation, and send a polished email. We hope you found this demo helpful and entertaining. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!